that afternoon markets have just closed here on the 10th of May. Very busy day today with exports coming out this morning at 7:30, crop report coming out at 11 o'clock. I would review it this way. We had, for exports, pretty good numbers in cotton. For grains, so-so export releases, nothing that great there. As we look at the crop report, I would say that the release for cotton was neutral, maybe a little friendly. And for grains, it would break down. It was bullish for soybeans, or a little bullish for soybeans. It was neutral to just a little negative for corn, and it was negative for wheat. That was the reaction of those markets. Now, why did cotton market sell off like it did? Down about 130 or so on the day. It got lower than that. It seemed that nervousness over a rain forecast in West Texas started some of the speculators from liquidating longs of the last 2 weeks. Some of the long positions created over the last couple of weeks. There was some liquidation there. And once the market started to drop, it started to sort of feed on itself and snowball, and then there was more and more. And next thing you know, we had dropped down here, even with news that was relatively positive. And as far as the weather goes, the 6 to 15-day forecast calls for a chance of about an inch of rain in the eastern part of West Texas. And as you get west of Lubbock, not much chance of rain. So it's really doubtful that this forecast is going to make a meaningful difference to West Texas, to getting this crop planted, getting the dry land up. But the market just reacted in a way where people got nervous, and we sold off. And that's it. Down 130 in July cotton, 84.56, a high of 86.17, a low of 84.05. We saw December cotton down 47 at 80.09. July soybeans up 5.5 at 10.21 and a quarter, a high of 10.33 and 3/4, a low of 10.14 and a quarter. July soybeans down a half. July corn down a half at 4.02 and a quarter, a high of 4.07, a low of $4 even. Looking at July wheat down 4 at 5.06 and a half. It did get as low as $5 and a quarter. The high was 5.15. Looking at the board, we've got crude oil down 3 cents at 71.11 for June crude oil. The dollar down 35. Gold up $8 an ounce. Silver up 23 cents an ounce. Dow Jones right now is trading at up 204. Dow Jones up 204. So a very erratic day for agricultural markets, mostly negative. We will look forward to looking at things tomorrow morning. Make sure you join us in. Thanks.